Hi guys, this is the new um, light that I ordered. It has a bright light at the front side, bright white, dim white, bright yellow, dim yellow, red, then an SOS light. Then it turns off. There's a bottle opener at the bottom. This can be attached to a keychain. There's a seat belt cutter. Back side has a magnet, and that part can be angled, and there are two screwdrivers, just an emergency toolkit. Those heads can be attached to this part and used, and there is a cigarette lighter at the back. Long press it, turn it on, works, and let it go, and it auto turns off. And this is the charging light, and it charges via USB-C, as you can see here. Yep. And its price is quite reasonable. I would link the product in the description, and subscribe for more such gadgets. Thank you.